What's up? Bearded here to help you out on an easy cooking dinner. This is to my 9 subscribers that I got. But y'all are lucky 9 because this is pretty good. So what we have, I'm going to give you all the ingredients we need. The name of this is deer or venison. We're going to call it the fancier name, venison taco bake. Hang on, we'll get you rolling. Hang on. With these simple ingredients, you can make a quick and fast dinner for your youngins when you're busy with sports and school and all that. This is pretty easy. Got our 2 cans of tomato condensed soup. We got our Mexican cheese, not just regular cheese, it's Mexican. Hot sauce. 2 pounds of venison, ground deer meat. Then I got another pound of hamburger meat just to kind of give it a little more fat into it, make it not so lean. Then we have our tortillas, 12 tortillas, chopped into 1-inch strips. We got my seasoned copper pan here. Gonna get it going. All right, guys, we're back. I'm gonna show you step 1 in the venison taco bake. First, we are gonna brown the meat. And I have just to show you a little difference, this is the beef on this side. And if you could tell the difference in the deer meat, and it just looks delicious. I'll tell you right now, I could probably just eat it like that. Not really. But it has a very fragrant smell. It almost smells like almost like Burger King or something, like their hamburgers. I don't know. That charboil, I don't know. Anyway, shout out to Burger King. But, all right, we'll take you to the next step. And okay, so we got the meat browned. We went ahead and drained it, all the fat off of it. And we're going to start with the rest of the recipe. We got 3 cups of milk. 2 of the condensed tomato soup. And this is probably too much food to make, but I know what to do with too much food, and too little will just piss me off, so I'd rather throw some away. Alright, 3 cups of cheese, and we're going to do half of it. And that's probably too much, but like I said, never too much, because who can really argue with having too much cheese? Oh, and if you're on a healthy diet, I am not the guy to watch to cook, so just so you know. Alright, tortillas. Oh. Yeah, some of them got in there. Alright, now hot sauce, whole bottle. This is a shout out to Palitos salsa. Okay, now we're just gonna mix it up. I've got the oven going, 400 degrees, and so this is how it looks right before we're gonna transfer this to the baking pan. So let's do that. I can't hold the phone and transfer it, so be right back. 2 seconds. What we're going to do now is we're going to add the rest of the cheese. And we're going to, and also to my 4 sons I have, if y'all are watching this, it's so much easier to just clean as you go. Crap. Alright, so if you just clean as you go, then you don't have to worry about cleaning when you get done eating, you don't feel like it. And we'll just take that and throw that in there. It's going to cook out. Okay. So, now we're going to throw it in the oven, 400 degrees, about 10 minutes or so. Cover it, foil or a lid, whatever, and it'll be done. All right, guys, here we go. I went ahead and did it. I said 10 minutes, but it just didn't come out right after 10 minutes. It's got to be a little bit longer. I did more like 30. And we're just going to uncover it. And I have not looked at it. This is just for... Oh, okay. See, there we go. So that is venison taco bake. Looks pretty good. Thanks, guys. If there's something else you want to see, cook, whatever, subscribe first of all. Like this, or shoot a comment on there. Something you want to, if you want me to cook it, whatever. I can do anything except for baked bread.